Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the COSMO COS-MWD3012NHSS 30-inch Haven Collection built-in microwave drawer, a sleek and modern solution for any kitchen. With 1.2 cubic feet of capacity, this microwave drawer provides plenty of space for cooking, reheating, or defrosting your favorite meals. It comes with easy-to-use touch controls and multiple presets, making it simple to cook or reheat food with just a few taps. The defrosting rack helps you thaw frozen items evenly and safely, while the built-in design saves counter space and gives your kitchen a clean, streamlined look. Crafted in stainless steel, this microwave drawer is not only durable but also stylish, complementing any modern kitchen decor. Perfect for busy households or anyone who values convenience and efficiency, the COSMO microwave drawer combines practicality, performance, and sleek design into one compact appliance. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you.